Hello and welcome to the Huron Heights Secondary School Music Grade 8 Open House information video. In this video, we will be discussing options for grade 8s considering taking music. We'll talk about common concerns that often grade 8 students might feel, but also specific concerns as it pertains to the COVID pandemic. So, first off, most students usually wonder, is experience necessary? To which the answer is absolutely not. We understand that the COVID pandemic has made learning different and difficult in many ways. And one of those ways is in music. So we want you to know, first off, that we start all our vocal, guitar, and band courses with the total beginner in mind. You don't need to know how to read music. You don't need to have any prior experience. We just ask that you come with an open mind to try new things. And your goal is to take every day as an opportunity to get better. If that is something you are open to trying, I think we're going to have some great times together. Regardless of whether you choose to take music or not, one thing that has helped me as I process life after the pandemic, or as we live through the pandemic, rather, is we can get easily lost in the past if we, think about how things used to be too much, and we miss and we long for a reality that is not practical. We can get overly focused on the future and the uncertainty that lies there and get crippled by fear, or we can try to be the best person we can be today. And that is something that I want to encourage you to consider in music. That if this is something that you want to try, if it's something that you want to give a shot because you don't think you've been able to have a meaningful experience in the past few years, high school Huron music, it's going to be a great time. It's going to be totally different and unlike anything you've ever experienced. I would highly recommend it. So, how do you get involved? Well, we have two types of courses at Huron. We have what's called day classes and repertoire after school / before school practice courses. And these types of courses work really well together. They were designed to work together. Think about any team, like baseball team, soccer team, hockey team. You probably meet to practice the sport, learn the drills, figure out how to play the game, and then you have opportunities to actually play those games. The day class is like practice. Repertoire class, well, those are like performance opportunities. Those are like your games. We go on trips. We have unique opportunities to perform. And I know many of you are beginners. Many of you have never performed before. But trust me, when you take these two courses together, it's an awesome experience. So, what do we recommend you do? Well, if you wish to take band, we have a course called AMI, Instrumental Music. That's the first point. And we ask you to take AMR1 alongside it with band. So you have one morning and one after school rehearsal, and you would learn to play band. But not only that, it's a really great way to make friends. Many folks in high school in band have met their friends through band and keep in contact. The second option, vocals, AMV 10, also comes with a companion course, AMJ 10, which is our outside of school choir. They meet after school, and like I said, just with band, it's a great way to meet like-minded students and make music, which is really fun. Lastly, we have guitar, AMG 10. And although we don't have a dedicated guitar repertoire course, we really recommend that guitar students also consider taking either band or vocals, because the skills that you learn in guitar are easily transferable, because at the end of the day, we're all about making music and making music together. You are certainly not limited to only one ensemble. Many of our students choose to take multiple courses or go between ensembles. We highly encourage that. Know that this is something we really recommend, that you at least take one ensemble just to try. Now, I know that this video is brief. I don't want to take up any more of your time, but if in any way I did not answer any of your questions, or you might feel like you have more, please feel free to send me an email. My email is stuart.sue@yrdsp.ca. and I would be happy to answer your questions. We also have a presence on social media. So if you are on the Instagram platform, you're welcome to follow me at wardsb.siu on Instagram, or follow our student-run music account, hhss.music, to get an idea of what music at Huron looks and feels like. We look forward to meeting you, grade 8s, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.